How to turn off music in darkest days. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Darkest Days and want to turn off the background music while keeping other game sounds, then first, launch open the Darkest Days game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the tablet icon at the top right corner from the home screen. Now, once you do that, from the expanded menu, click on the gear button at the bottom. This will open Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Sound. Now, once you're inside this page, go ahead and turn off the volume right next to BGM volume. Once you turn that off, you'll be able to turn off the background music. If you don't want any kind of a music or sound effect throughout the game, you can also tap on that switch right in front of Master Volume and switch it off. Now you can return to the game. So there you have it. You've successfully turned off the music in Darkest Days. Now you can enjoy the game without background music while still keeping important gameplay sounds. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.